Coyote calling has evolved from simple mouth calls to advanced electronic predator calls that couple programmable sound libraries with decoy integration and long-range remotes. For hunters, the value lies in realism, remote range, battery life, sound quality, and field durability. This review tests 5 competing units.
List number 1. Icotec Fernado Predator Game. The Fernado combines a compact predator collar with a fur-wrapped decoy topper to create a realistic lure setup. It offers a 150-yard remote range, 15 professionally recorded sounds, and a 2-piece decoy fur system designed to attract carnivores at a distance. The build emphasizes durability with rugged plastic housing and a 2-year manufacturer warranty, and it runs on 4 AA cells plus 1 A23 battery. Performance-wise, the Fernado delivers dependable field presence thanks to its physical decoy topper and fur-wrapped front. In practice, the decoy adds credibility at close ranges, while the remote range keeps the hunter out of the line of fire and reduces the chance of spooking animals during resets. Battery life claims of up to 40 hours are competitive for the category, though real-world runtime will depend on sound selection and frequency of decoy use. The included sounds are not listed in detail here, but the unit's interface is straightforward with a standard remote that is easy to operate in low light.
List number 2. Icotec 300 Plus Predator Call, great for Coyote. The 300 Plus model elevates remote range to 300 yards and introduces high-fidelity sound technology with the ability to play multiple sounds simultaneously. It includes 15 professional sounds and backlit buttons for night operation, plus a Bluetooth-enabled ecosystem to expand versatility with an optional AD400 decoy connection. Performance-wise, the 300 Plus excels at concealment due to its extended range and the option to run multiple sounds concurrently, which can simulate a more complex hunting scenario. The backlit controls improve usability in dawn-dusk light, and Bluetooth connectivity enables easier future expansion or firmware updates. Battery life remains robust with 4 AA batteries and 1 A23, but users should be mindful of the extra drain when running multiple sounds or using the decoy port. The inclusion of a decoy port suggests a scalable setup, though some buyers may want a
List number 3. Icotec's 320 Plus Predator Call Decoy Combo. The 320 Plus pairs a Predator Call with an AD400 adjustable speed decoy and 2 prey decoy toppers across a 300-yard remote spectrum. It broadens capability with Bluetooth range up to 100 yards, 30 professional calls, and a crystal clear audio profile. The package features a built-in decoy and a powerful battery setup, 4 AA for the unit and decoy, plus 1 A23 for the remote. Performance-wise, the 320 Plus stands out for its decoy versatility and extended call library. The adjustable speed predator decoy can simulate movement that attracts wary predators, especially in open terrain. The Bluetooth-enabled range adds flexibility for field setups, though real-world range for Bluetooth is often shorter than RF-based links. Battery life remains a practical concern. With multiple components drawing power, field spares are essential. The 8.5 by 5.75 by 6-inch footprint remains portable, and the 2-year warranty provides confidence in reliability.
List number 4. The FoxPro Hellcat American-made electronic. The Hellcat is a USA-made digital predator call with 175 sounds plus the ability to store up to 300 sounds. It features the TX433XL transmitter with a larger LCD, elastomeric keypad, and built-in decoy with the Bluebird topper. This model is designed for portability, ease of use, and expandability, and it emphasizes a balance of sound library size and user-friendly navigation. Performance-wise, the Hellcat delivers a broad sound repertoire and reliable decoding for quick hunts. The integrated decoy adds an extra layer of realism, reducing the need for separate accessories in some setups. The device's 3-year limited warranty reflects FoxPro's confidence in long-term durability. List number 5. Quaker Boy Screamin' Cottontail Predator Call. The Quaker Boy Screamin' Cottontail Predator Call represents a straightforward, budget-friendly animal call option. It focuses on a single-purpose predator call with a traditional reed-based design, marketed as a versatile instrument for predator hunting across multiple species. Performance-wise, this option prioritizes reliability and simplicity over a broad feature set. It serves as a dependable mouth call for predators and can complement electronic calls in mixed setups. While it lacks the remote control, decoy integration, and digital sound library of its electronic counterparts, its compactness and low cost make it appealing for beginners or as a lightweight backup. Users should expect consistent call delivery with basic practice.